Guys, today we're opening 2 slimes that I just got from the dollar store. So, we're gonna love it. Well, you guys are, probably. Hopefully. Comment down below if you think you're gonna love it. Hold on. I'll pause for you. Okay, so have you commented down? Okay. Alright, now let's just check out the slime. Let's go! Okay, so I have the slimes right here. This is the first one, and the second one's in this can too. So the first one we have is Noise Putty Masticc Sonar. You press your finger into the putty and the air will escape up the sides, creating comic sounds. And it's joking around. And it's 3 and older. So yeah. So here, this is what we're going to check out first. And the second one is just glows in the dark slime. And it's glow in the dark, as I just said, and it's just normal cool slime, and here's the back. So that's the second one, and then I have this little cup that I put them in. Okay, so let's grab our first one. Let me just grab it. You know what? Let's take our jacket off first. We could use a couple minutes, right? We could get all nice for the day. Okay, so let's grab our slime. Wow, that's so squishy. Let's see what it sounds like. It's so fun to play with and so stretchy and silly and gooey. It's not all messy. I love it. Alright. Now let's check out the other slime. Get it all on out of the little wrapper. Ah, come on. I love my stuff. This is going to be the best. I didn't get the black one because I had the black one before and it wasn't that good. So, that's why I didn't get the black. And I didn't get the blue one because the blue one was just like the black one. So, I got these 2 cool ones. I wonder how cool this one will be. Still, I think maybe got to get a little bit of thingy off. I don't know. What? Ah, no I don't. This is so much more gooey than my black one. But it's kind of sloppy like my black one, but it's so cool. I wonder if it makes sounds. Kinda does. Anyway, thanks for checking out my slime with me, and that was amazing. And thank you for checking it out with me, and see you in the next video. Party!